Hello students, let us try to understand the Kolbe reaction. Okay, this reaction is also known as Kolbe-Schmidt reaction, students. You know, and by this reaction we prepare the important compound, that is the salicylic acid. You know? So let us see, student, what the reaction is. This reaction involves the treatment of sodium phenoxide. What you are going to treat, student? That is sodium phenoxide. So O minus. This is sodium phenoxide with carbon dioxide. With you are treating with the carbon dioxide at 125 degrees Celsius. What temperature you are using? 125 degrees Celsius under the 6 atmospheric pressure, you know, followed by acid hydrolysis. This is the first condition, CO2. And second step, what they are saying, that is you are putting, that is H3O plus, acidic hydrolysis you are doing. So what you are going to get, that is salicylic acid, right? So this will be the product. Here will be, that is OH, and here will be COOH. The important thing in this reaction is the mechanism is quite important, student. Let us have the look over the mechanism. Okay, what is the mechanism? Mechanism involving in this reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Means that is, it is the ESR reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. Dear students, let us try to understand what is the reaction mechanism here. Okay, so here is what is, that is O negative ion is there, student. O negative, that is phenoxide ion. This negative charge is coming here. Okay, wait, here, that is a much profound way you can make it like that. So O negative, this negative charge is going into delocalizing in the resonance, so this electron is coming out. Okay, so what this is the equivalent structure what we can make, students. Here is double bond O, and here is the negative charge, right? And here is the bond will be as it is. Now you know that is carbon dioxide is a weak electrolyte. Because of the pi bond, this is weak electrolyte. So what will happen, this bond is shifting here, so that is negative, and this will come positive here, that is electrophile, that is attack of the electrophile will takes place. Okay, and this arrow we are showing, that is movement of electrons. So you can see what the intermediate is going to be formed here, right, student? So here is what is there. So here, that is H will be going to formed here. H is already there. Here is C O minus, and here is C double bond O. And in this process, what is happening here is double bond is there, this, and here is what is there, student. This bond, when attack will be there, this is again the phenoxide will be forming. So O negative. Okay, because carbon valency is 4 only. If here is the double bond, it cannot accommodate 1 2 3 4. No, so what is happening, this phenoxide, let us see the step number 2. Step number 2. So in the step number 2, what will happen, dear students, here? In this step, here you can see, student, that is hydrogen is there. Here is C, here is the O negative is there, double bond O is there. Here is the bond like that, and this O negative will absorb this hydrogen. So what will the intermediate is going to be formed here, students? C. Here will be, that is OH, right? And when this is absorbing, this bond is going to shift here. This is double bond restore, and here is CO minus. Here is O minus is there. This bond is single bond. So that is O minus and double bond O. Now let us move out, that is step number 3. Step number 3, that is hydrolysis. Okay, so in the hydrolysis, that is absorption of proton will be taking place. So OH is there, CO minus, and here is double bond is there. So it will absorb, that is H plus ion, right? So what is there, this is getting absorption of the H plus ion. So you can see that is what the product you are going to get here, students. See, so here is O, this is, and here is what is this, C, here is the OH double bond O, and here is what is, that is OH is there, students. अब this name is, its name is what student, its name is salicylic acid, its name is salicylic acid. Okay, so that is how you can understand the reaction mechanism, dear students. Okay, let us try to have the quick recap of the mechanism, student. The first of all, what is there, student? That is the phenoxide ion is there. Okay, let us draw the again phenoxide ion. Okay, so if you are doing the phenoxide ion O minus, so this is coming in the ring for the resonance, so this bond is coming out. So what the structure you are going to get, that is O is there, and here will be, that is hydrogen is already there, it is the negatively charged. Okay, and here is, that is, now it is going to attack on the carbon dioxide here, that way with the attack will be there. So if it is attack, this bond will be shifting like that. So you can see it out, student, how the structure, the compound will be getting formed. So dear students, here the intermediate which is being formed is, that is here when the O is there. Okay, let it having a, that is H, this bond is shifting, means O negative will be there, right? And here will be C, O negative is there, right, student, and double bond O is there, and here is the bond will be as it is. This negative is absorbing this proton, hydrogen, and this will be shifting like this. So what the next step you can see out, that is hydroxyl group is being formed, and here is O negative is there, double bond O is there, right, and this ring is restored. Now this will be, here will be the absorption, hydrolysis HOH. So this negative charge will absorb this H plus, and this is the shifting. Okay, so let us see the structure here. So here is, what is that, OH is there, students, here is COH and double bond O, and this is the structure. So this is what is, that is salicylic acid, student. This is the salicylic acid, case of salicylic acid. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.